What exactly can you do if you accidentally submerge all of your electronics in water? Is it lost forever? Actually, no, it's not. You can save your electronics even after they've been submerged completely in water. The first step is to make sure that your electronics is well removed from the water, and also make sure that it is powered off. Most of the time, water will not actually harm electronics. The only thing you really have to watch out for is condensation buildup. After you have salvaged your electronics, you then need to find a place to lay it down. I would suggest getting a towel that is either microfiber or very fine fibers. Start disassembling the parts and laying them out on the blanket. Once the parts are laid out, you can then start to dry them off. Take part of the towel that you have laying down and dab off the parts of the electronics. After the majority of the water is removed, then you can start using a hairdryer. A hairdryer doesn't get hot enough to actually damage any electronics. You do not want to damage any soldering points that you're trying to dry out. And once everything is completely dried out, your electronics should be back to functioning order. Hey! Moment of truth. No way. She works! Let's see if it'll boot into Windows. Hey, there it is. And there we have it. A fully functioning, working computer that was drowned in water less than 12 hours ago.